Ba-dum-bum-bum. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create carousels using Grok AI versus using ChatGPT, which one produces better results. And we're going to do it on aicarousels.com, which is my favorite AI carousel maker right now. And there's a link below this video if you want to try it for free. Let's jump over to it. So let's start at aicarousels.com. All right. So AI carousels helps you create carousels really fast. You can auto generate images. You can do a bunch of stuff. We're going to use, I've already got these carousels set up. So I spent some time messing with ChatGPT. Again, I use this InstaGuide Instagram GPT that is a little bit better than just the normal ChatGPT. And then this is the carousel that they came up with. So we're going to plug it in and then we're going to compare it to the carousel that Grok came up with. And they had the same prompt. So we're going to see which one we like better. And so let's start with ChatGPT. And so again, to use this, I just have ChatGPT create a carousel, tell them to give it to me in a specific format that is this format right here. And I've made other videos on that. And so I just copy and paste that format, put it in import carousel. And then I'm going to hop back over here real quick and say, give me a description for an AI background image for this carousel. So this will give us a description for what it should look like. And it's right here. So we're going to copy that. We're going to go over here and we're going to go to AI and generate over here. And so we're generating a background image for the carousel that ChatGPT made, and we're going to see how they did. And we're going to wait patiently, and I'm out of coffee. So we're going to wait extra patiently. All right, so give us that background. Let's see. Okay, so computer, tea, notebook, kind of girly, but we're just going to let AI create it. And then let's see what else it told us to do here. So it says background color. Let's use the background color, a nice little white, the accent color, a little green, and then the text color. We got that and the text color. And it said to use a text color like Poppins. So let's see if we can find quickly and easily find Poppins fonts. There we go. All right, so we got this. Boy, I do not love this. All right, so what I don't love, I mean, it's a little bit better with if you increase the background. So let's see here. Carousels are the smartest tool you're not using. Starting a one-person business, if you're a solo coach trying to launch or grow, carousels can attract your first or next 10 clients without needing a funnel, fancy, or paid ads. So that's as a first slide, this is okay. It's a lot of text though for the first slide. The first slide is supposed to be powerful hook, get them to swipe. So little long, that's ChatGPT. Let's see what else they got. When you're invisible online, even with great advice, your posts, insights, tips, still no traction, your content isn't bad, it's just not built to stop the scroll and drive action. Know a coach starting from scratch, share this with them. Okay, so this is the second slide here should be a call to action that says share this slide. But ChatGPT messed it up, so the second slide is the third slide. And so not good, but it's always like that the first time. You always got to tweak some stuff. Carousels help you sell without sounding being salesy. They let you teach, share proof, build trust, and swipeable format, high value, low pressure, more leads. That's pretty good. 3. This is good. Carousel ideas lead to launch your solo brand. Behind the scenes, many case study, value drop. Yeah, so they're good. They tell a story. Why they outperform reels in some cases. Better for detailed teaching, easier to repurpose, savable equals more reach. Clients read them before they DM. Hooks them with slide 1, which this carousel did not do a great job at. But yes, hooks them with slide 1. Carousels start with curiosity. Want to start a one-person business? Avoid these 3 mistakes. Yeah, see, that would have been a good hook. They should have used that one. I'm going to steal that one. And we're just going to use that same hook because that's a better hook, the one that they gave us for an example. All right, let's go to the end. So this formatting is always a little bit off for the last slide just because there's some other formatting stuff. So we're going to just tweak this. All right, I'll make a custom carousel for you, comment free. So that's pretty good. Ready to build your solo brand, make a custom carousel for you. So I think overall this is okay. I mean, they really kind of fucked up the hook part, excuse my language. But always got to tweak things when you're using AI. So it's always good to look at it before you post it. If I was going to tweak this, I would just delete this. Avoid these 3 mistakes. And then this should be a hook. Discover why carousels work. Don't do this. Yeah, and then this has got to get tweaked a little bit. Let's see, reorder. So know a coach starting from scratch. Share this with them. Build a 6-figure business from their phone. Why you're invisible online. Carousels help you. So yeah, so it's better now. I changed the hook, and now the hook doesn't make sense with the carousel. So let's just help with the hook page here before we finalize this one. Carousels are the answer. Actually, let's just do this. Want to build a one person business, and then don't do this. You should use this strategy. That's pretty good. Want to start a one-person business? Use this strategy. Know a coach starting from scratch. Share this with them. Why you're invisible online, even with great advice. Carousels help you build without being salesy. Carousel ideas help you launch your solo brand. Why they outperform reels in some cases. Why carousels outperform reels in some cases. Hook them on slide 1. Start with curiosity. I'll make you a custom carousel. So I'd say this carousel overall is like a 4. Not great. I mean, I made some changes to it to make it a little better, but not super good. That's what ChatGPT came up with. I'm gonna download that and I'll post it just to see how it performs. Again, with some manual intervention. All right, so now let's go to Grok AI, which I've actually really been liking Grok lately. And so let's see what Grok gave us. And I looked at this quickly and I thought I liked it a lot better, but let's see. We're back over here now. So we put Grok into the generator and let's see what it comes up with. Dreaming of a thriving one-person coaching business. Carousels are the best secret weapon. Get started fast and scale without a team. Keep going. Let's say, instead of keep going, we'll say find out why. Okay, so find out why. Good. All right, let's get the colors in the background. What colors should I use for the background? Accent color and text color. We're gonna ask that and give me an AI image to use for the background. I'm just gonna have Grok make me an image because its images are pretty good usually. At least the first one. Grok gets dumb really fast. If you've ever used them, it's super smart at the beginning, fast. And then if you do a bunch of pictures, then it just gets really dumb. All right, so background colors, background color. Whoops, let's grab this. All right, Grok, background color. Okay, a little green. Accent color. Accent color is not working. Why is that? Oh, it's got an extra space. All right, accent color, still not working. Let's try this one. Okay, that one worked. And then let's text color. It says gray. Pretty good. And then let's go to T. All right, now let's have it make an image for us that we can use for the background. Okay, I guess that's okay. Let's use this one. Share this tab. Upload background image. Let's do like, this might be a little hard to see the text. See how hard it is to see this text? Let's make it a little bit more. Okay, so let's see how Grok did here. Dreaming of a thriving one-person coaching business. I like this hook better. Carousels are the secret weapon. Launch your solo. So I like this. Dreaming of a thriving one-person coaching business. Carousels are the secret weapon. Learn how. That's the exact same thing. And that could be my issue with formatting. So we're just going to delete that. All right. I built my solo biz from scratch with these. Tag or share a coach with a friend that's ready to go solo. They'll thank you. Keep swiping for next steps. Step 1, define your niche or offer. As a solo coach, focus on sharp, pick your passion, business coaching, mindset mastery, skill-based. Create one core offer, 6-week transformation program. Use Carousel to test ideas fast. Oh, it's okay. We'll see how it goes. Step 2, build your online presence. No team, no problem. Simple. Instagram profile, free lead magnet, PDF guide, post carousels, daily carousels, share tips to attract followers or grow organically. Okay. Leverage carousels for content. Your number one tool for solo success. Why carousels? Higher engagement, tell stories, educate, sell subtly. Example, 5 mistakes solo coaches make, builds trust. Step 4, monetize with simple systems. Keep it lean as a one-person show. Set up a booking tool like Calendly, payment link for Stripe or School. Nurture email lists. Yeah, you can, payment links. I'll just write use School because I'd recommend using School. Email nurturing. School for nurturing. Use carousels and launches. Tease these drives and these offers. Scale smartly without burnout, so it doesn't mean overwhelmed. Batch content, automate. Use tools like later, we can say. It's fine. Track wins, clients gain, analytics, results, revenue. Grab my free carousel starter pack. Templates to launch your one-person business. Customizable. Catch. It's purely for your empire. Templates to launch your one-person personalized carousel for your one-person coaching biz. All right, we're in starter pack. Comment free. So this one's, I don't love this one. It's kind of long, but let's pick your niche, online presence. Man, this one, I just don't love the layout and the format and the background. Let's turn the background stuff off. Maybe I can turn this. It looks a little better. I'm just going to say share. Share this with a friend, with a coach, friend, ready to go solo. They'll thank you. Keep swiping for next steps. Pick your passion. I don't love the pick your passion advice. Like, solve a problem. Let's say solve a problem. It's lead magnet. Let's say free community because that's what I like. Grow organically. Trust. So this one's okay. I think they're both okay. I think normally I would spend more time tweaking and refining them, but I wanted to see what Grok and ChatGPT would give us, and so that's what they gave us. Not bad. I'm gonna mess around. Grok's been really good lately, so I'm gonna try Grok and get away from ChatGPT for the next couple days and see how we do. Hope that was helpful. If you want to make carousels using AI carousels, there's a link below this video. And if you want to join my free school community, when you join, you get access to my weaponized Instagram course. I'll make you a free carousel as well. Click the link below this video, and there'll be a little join button here. And when you join, you'll get instructions so you can get your free carousel. Hope to see you inside, and have a wonderful day.